In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment icons on Wix. Adding these icons can be an essential step for many website owners, as it helps signal to your customers the various payment methods you accept. This process can enhance your site's professionalism and reassure visitors of its credibility. So, let's walk through each step to ensure you can easily accomplish this task. First, you'll want to start by searching for the payment icons you need. You can do this by conducting a quick web search. Simply type payment icons into your preferred search engine and browse through the available options. There are many resources out there offering free or premium icons, so find a style that suits your website's aesthetic. Once you find an icon set you like, go ahead and download them to your computer. Make sure the icons you choose are of high quality and in formats compatible with Wix, such as JPEG, PNG, or SVG. Having these icons handy on your computer is crucial for later steps. Next, head over to your Wix account. After logging in, navigate to the Wix dashboard and select the site you'd like to edit. This will take you to the site editor where you can make changes to your site's design and content. In the site editor, look for the plus icon, usually found on the left side toolbar. Clicking this icon will open up a menu of options for adding various elements to your page. From this menu, you'll want to select Image. This will give you several options to either choose from existing images or upload new ones. Since we're adding your recently downloaded payment icons, the next step is to click on the Upload Images arrow. After you click the Upload Images arrow, you'll see an option titled Upload from Computer. Click this, and a window will pop up allowing you to browse your computer. Find and select the payment icons you downloaded earlier. Once uploaded, they'll be available in your Wix media. Now that your icons are uploaded, it's time to add them to your page. Simply select the icon you wish to use, and then click on the option that says Add to Page. This will place your icon on your selected web page. You can move it around and resize it as needed to fit within your site's design. To wrap things up, make sure to position your payment icons strategically on your web page. They're typically found near the checkout section or footer to clearly communicate that your site is ready to accept payments. Reassuring your customers of the available payment options can help improve their shopping experience. And that's how you add payment icons to your Wix site. It's a simple process, but it can make a significant impact on your site's usability and credibility. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy website editing!